Welcome back to Morley's Market Update. Today we're taking a look at the Q1 2026 Exuma real estate market. This quarter is a bit of a mixed bag. Fewer listings, a big spike in buyer activity, but at the same time, fewer deals actually closing. If you want to view the full report, you'll find it linked down below. Starting with Exuma homes, supply has pulled back. New listings were down 15.4% year over year and dropped sharply, down 71.1% from last quarter, so there are significantly fewer homes hitting the market right now. But demand tells a very different story. Contracted sales jumped 100% year over year and surged 300% quarter over quarter, showing a strong rebound in buyer activity. However, that hasn't translated into closings just yet. Completed sales were down 66.7% year over year and fell 80% from last quarter, meaning many of those deals are still working their way through the pipeline. Pricing remained strong. The average sales price came in at about $2.8 million, up 5.7% year over year and the 28.3% from last quarter. The median sales price also rebounded to $2.8 million, down slightly year over year, but up over 170% quarter over quarter, which suggests more high-value transactions compared to last quarter. Homes are also selling faster. Days on market dropped to 119 days, down nearly 50% year over year and about 30% from last quarter. So well-priced properties are moving more quickly, and the list-to-sale price ratio improved to 97.4%, up both year over year and quarter over quarter, meaning sellers are getting much closer to their asking prices. Now, moving over to Exuma land, this is where things get more volatile. New listings were flat year over year, but increased 15.8% from last quarter, so inventory is still building slightly. Demand is weaker overall. Contracted sales were down 57.1% year over year, although they did increase 80% from last quarter, showing some short-term improvement. Completed sales, on the other hand, jumped 150% year over year, but dropped 37.5% quarter over quarter, so activity is still inconsistent. Pricing saw a major jump this quarter. The average land sales price rose to about $405,000, up over 2,100% year over year and nearly 300% from last quarter. The median price also surged to $470,000, up more than 2,500% year over year and over 1,500% quarter over quarter, which strongly suggests a few high-value land sales skewing the numbers. At the same time, land is taking longer to sell. Days on market increased to 218 days, up over 200% year over year and 15% from last quarter, and the list-to-sale price ratio improved to 92.3%, up both year over year and quarter over quarter, meaning sellers are still negotiating, but outcomes are getting stronger. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this breakdown and want to keep up with what's happening across the Bahamas real estate market, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss an update. So, to sum it up, Exuma Homes saw a drop in new listings, but a strong rebound in buyer activity, faster sales, and stronger pricing. Land, however, is much more volatile, with sharp increases in pricing driven by a few high-value deals, mixed demand, and longer time on the market. Thanks for watching Morley's Market Update, and I'll see you in the next one.